From TVs to sound bars to massage units and sharper image tech, I have your top 5 deals of the week coming right up. Top 5, yes. I feel like we need like a new graphic for that, but let's be honest, I'm too cheap to pay for one, so I just made one right now on the spot. Hi, I'm the YouTube deal guy, Matt Granite. No, I don't get out much. And yes, I find this is so hot. Stupid space heater. I just closed it. It's off now. The deals are hot, the room was hot, and if you're looking for the biggest savings right now and you expand the video description box right under me, you'll find a full breakdown of massive deals for this week. If you've never seen me before, I hunt down deals for a living. I developed an algorithm that helps me pinpoint the biggest deal drops, and my job is to unbox amazing tech and help you save. Let's start first with a quick update to some of the Super Bowl television deals that you may have seen in my prior video. Take a look at your reminder right now that you will find a whole breakdown of TVs for the big game, where you can actually score 49-inch televisions for as low as $250. We go all the way up to 75 inches. I've done a breakdown with the majority of the deals right now actually happening from Best Buy. Now, I did mention this was also a great week to score a soundbar deal. And there's a soundbar, which is a manufacturer certified, refurbished, unboxed, barely unboxed unit. What does that mean? I was at the Consumer Electronics Show and Yamaha set up this amazing display of soundbars. Those soundbars were never used. They had a bunch of stock that they're now actually selling after CES at a huge discount. Let me show those to you. 2 weeks ago in Las Vegas at the Consumer Electronics Show, I was presenting on audio for CES, different types of speakers and soundbars. And I fell in love with a brand new soundbar from Yamaha, which has built-in subwoofers and Bluetooth. So you can actually stream your music, and it is beautifully wireless. You get enhanced dialogue clarity for your favorite shows and movies. And when it comes to the big game, this is a winner. I am a huge fan of this deal. Now, the deal that I found is open box. These were actually a series of untouched demo units at CES. $250 down to under $150. You get a full new warranty on that. I am a big fan of that deal, which you could find right now by expanding the video description box right under me. Before we get to some cooking and some other really cool CES tech, if you are looking to enjoy television without bothering or waking up your significant other, if you're like me, you've got a newborn sleeping upstairs and you want to be able to watch the big game and various other things, one of my other favorite deals is a pair of wireless TV headphones from Sharper Image. Now, these DLX wireless headphones give you a private, super clear, beautifully audio surrounded, stereo equalized environment where you can watch your favorite movies, sports, action films as loud as you want without disturbing anyone else in the household. And more importantly, with Bluetooth, no matter who is doing what, and a transmitter built in seconds, you can have this set up with any TV or home entertainment system. At under $60, that Sharper Image wireless TV headphone set is a great deal. Now, while we are on the topic of savings, there's one demo I actually did with one of my favorite chefs on television. If you are looking for cast iron pans, this is an amazing deal. It's a full set. It's a crazy price, under $50. And of course, before I feature any deal tied to the kitchen, I ask this guy, Food Network chef Binks, to weigh in.
Hey Matt, I know why you sent me these cast iron pans to test. You know I'm a huge advocate of cast iron. Things like aluminum, which are aluminum pans, what happens is highly acidic foods will eat away at the surface, causing the aluminum to go into your food. Iron though, no problem. If a little bit comes off, it's not an issue. Perfect for high heat cooking, frying, sauteing, searing, fajitas, meat, chicken, fish. It's endless what this pan is good for. I'm gonna add these to my collection. You know it, buddy.
My favorite cast iron pan deal, and one of the best you will ever see, also located right under this video screen. Now, if you're feeling stressed, hopefully not from watching this video, there are great ways to relax and actually take advantage of some new technology tied to massage units. The next deal I have for you is very weird because I'd never used one before, but it is a practice employed by physical therapists, stress relief clinics. If you have trouble sleeping, a lot of sleep disorder facilities will also use this. And for under $50 right now, you can massage and you can knead with a device that actually fits into your pocket. With a controller about the fraction of the size of your smartphone, you simply attach one of many massage modules to this and simply place them where you want to feel a kneading, acupuncture, tapping, scraping, cupping, or a combination of different massage journeys that include Swedish massage, Korean, shiatsu, foot massage, and do it all with something that can actually fit into your pocket. If you're looking for a more discreet way to ensure that you get the benefits of massage wherever you are, including at work, this is one of the top deals to make it happen. You can score that massage unit right now by clicking the link under this video screen. So there you have it, my 5 favorite deals of the week. There'll be even more tech savings later down the line. And if you are looking for some great household and lifestyle items, I started to read through a lot of the comments. I have a computer under me. I'm not averting eye contact. That's why I keep looking down. And I know many of you are looking for some unique things, some hard to locate items, and I'll be working through those lists over the course of the next few weeks. So if you're not yet subscribed, please feel free to do that. That'll ensure that you can actually score the deals and be notified when they drop. And more importantly, if you are unaware, I have a Deal Guy podcast. You can find that on iTunes and Spotify. And I'd love if you would subscribe and check out a longer version of me in a more intimate setting. All right, I love you. Thanks for watching. If you're not yet subscribed, this is what you can do. Click on my head right here. That'll subscribe you to this channel. If you need help turning on your notifications or leaving a comment, there's a way to do that. And that last big roundup of deals I did, it's over here.